Hello! We are going to be using the number line method to work out division problems such as 432 divided by 4. So we're going to try and see how many 4s they go into 432. Now the first step is to write your number sentence. Well, we've got that there. Ready and waiting. The next step is to draw your number line with a ruler. Note there, use a ruler. I'm not using a ruler because I can't hold a camera and a pen at the same time. But, okay, so we're going to put 0 on one end, and we're going to put our dividend on the other end. So the dividend is just this number, the number that you're dividing, okay? It's not anything more confusing than that. It's just a bit of vocabulary. Okay. And we're trying to see how many lots of 4 go into this dividend. Oh, see you later, pen lid. So, that's all we're trying to do, is seeing how many lots of 4 there are. So, my head's not a computer, so I'm just going to do a sensible jump, and I just think, what's the biggest jump that's going to be in the 4 times tables that we can do? That will be a really big jump. Well, look at that juicy 400. Well, 400 must be in the 4 times table, so I'm going to do a jump of 400. Yeah, so I've done a jump of 400. And just to remind me how many lots of 4s that is, I'm going to write that on the top. So how many lots of 4s? Yeah, it was 100 lots of 4s. Awesome. Right. Oh, I need to get to 432. What's our next sensible jump? What number can we jump in that's in the 4 times tables that's some of the way? 20 is nice and easy. 20 is in the 4 times tables. So let's jump 20. And that's going to take me to 420. How many lots of 4s was 20? Yeah, it was 5 lots. Ooh, 5 lots of 4s. Fantastic. So I'm on 420. I need to get to 432. If I count on, how much more is 432 than 420? It's 12. Yeah? Let's do this, plus 12. 12 is in the 4 times tables. How many 12s? How many 4s in 12? How many lots of 4 do we need to count in 12s? Yeah, it's 3 lots of. Fantastic. Okay, so the next step, we've got to our dividend there, and we've made sure we've gone along in multiples of 4 all along the way, because I know that 400 is a multiple of 4, 20 is a multiple of 4, 12 is a multiple of 4. Okay, so now we just need to find out how many lots of 4 there were altogether. So there was how many lots of 4s? There were 100. And then there was 5 more lots of 4s. And then there were 3 more lots of 4s. So that is 108 lots of 4s. Okay, so we can write that in our number sentence. 108. Okay, and to check, always, the beautiful thing about division is you can always check it with multiplication. Because if I know that 432 divided by 4 is 108, then I should know that 4 lots of 108 should be equal to, the dividend again, so 432. Okay, I know that's right. I've checked it on a calculator. I'm going to give myself a big tick. Fantastic. Right, the next question I'm going to look at is 642 divided by 6. Fantastic. Right, start the same process over again. Draw a line. Use a ruler. Okay, I haven't used a ruler, but my excuse is I'm holding a camera, so. Start with 0, and then our dividend. What number is our dividend again? Yes, simply the number we're divided by, so this time it's 642. Fantastic. Now, we're going to jump along the number line in multiples of 6. So what big number could we jump in that's a multiple of 6? Fantastic. You should immediately be thinking 600. Okay, so we've done a jump of 600 because we know, and let's write how many lots of 6 here, that is 100 lots of 6. Nice and simple. And now we've got to the grand total of 600. Fantastic, right? We've got a big jump. Right, we need to think, to be honest, to help us, if it helps you, you can start writing some multiples of your 6 times tables out. 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Yeah, so this, I've just simply written out my 6 times tables. So these are the jumps that you can do. So what would be a nice easy jump that might not get us all the way to 42? So I don't know this part of the table. If I counted on, I could do it. But think about it. I could maybe do a jump of 30. Oh, actually. If I keep going, I can see that 42 is a jump. So I could do a big jump of 42. Oh, look, the thing's moving. It got so excited. So I could add 42. Yeah? And that would be 1. How many lots of 6 would that be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Easy. If I didn't count all the way to that, I could have done here, if I didn't know that I could do one jump of 42 because I didn't know my 6 and 7 times tables, I could have done it even easier. Okay? Instead of doing a jump of 42, I could have thought, 30, that's a nice round number. I could have done that. So I could have added 30. So that would be 630. And that would be 30 is definitely 5 lots of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lots of 6. Good. Okay. I've got rid of my target number. Okay. So now I've got to get from 30 to 642, and I can only go multiples of 6 now. How much more is 42 than 30? Is it a number on this list? Yeah, exactly right. It's 12. And you should know that 12 is just 2 lots of 6. Okay, so then these are how many lots of 6 I've got. So I've got 100 plus 5 lots there, and then plus 2 lots. And that makes sense really, because I could have done 100 jump, and then we talked about the other way that you could have done a big jump of 7 lots of 6. Okay, fantastic. And now I'm just going to finish off my number sentence. Oh. It's very hard to see where you're coming from. 107. And if you work it out the other way, you can use the inverse to check. So 107 times 6, does it equal 642? Check on a calculator. Yep, I'm right. Ba-ding! Ta-da! See you later. Bye.